today.
Just open your yay.
This is my tablet. That's Stacy. She colored it really well. I colored it really well too. And Mom colored it really well too. And others well. But just been always sweet. So yours has dead. My brother, yours cried.
Oh my goodness!
Stop. This is my thing.
Show your
My tablet. My
show your colors, Stacy.
Okay. Her color white like her old phone. I got this.
Show your color. What kind color do your girl has? Oh, 버전 같아야. 내 버전 시야.
She has
White.
no. I have
Gray
like white. And then her old tablet is gray too.
Blue. I mean gray. Yeah. Hers is gold. Because she wanted the gold color.
Show your old one.
Here's her little thing.
Your
Here.
old one.
She has apple sticker. And I had an apple sticker too, but I don't know where I want to do it yet. Go on your tablet. It's on there. Go
내
mine.
버전 시야나.
Yeah.
Your shell. Wow, Stacy có lá all the shy luôn nhá bên nè.
Yeah, it's my old one.
Yeah.
Cause
Why
I
you so
have
lucky?
two,
You
but I
have
have
two.
one. This one's old.
I'll just use the last one.
Mm.
Don't check out.
Now it's time to unlock this one. It's easy because I can do this.
I can do this too.
Oh no! Wait, let me try.
Oh, don't touch it.
Siri
Go that way. Go. Go that way. Stacy
says
shows
your
something.
password. Okay.
Does you so bad?
Okay, I'm just gonna do my password. Games on here. I'm going to download
My
One on the App Store. This is mine.
Oh.
I'm going to update the App Store. It's updating right now. Okay. Now I'm going to wait for a little while on my tablet. So I'm going to play Minecraft.
Minecraft.
Yeah, I'm going to play Minecraft.
And
See
then
the
I'm
picture.
playing the music one.
I'm going to resume the game because I need to like kill a lot of things. Oh my, a spider's killing me. Okay, I got some spider webs in the XP by that. Next, I'm going to kill a zombie
I want to do tablet.
because I don't want them to kill me.
It's a hole.
And next, I'm going to kill this skeleton.
Oh
It's really hard because the skeleton like takes 3 hot shots or 4. And I'm going to
And then mine's
some of my
loading.
because I'm hungry.
And then I have Robux too.
And I just got out of there. Next, I am going to play. I'm going to go into the App Store so I can play what she's playing right there. Show her what she's playing, Ash. Show them what you're playing, Ashley.
The bunny hopper.
Cool. Yeah. Those are pretty. There's this like tablet right here. It's super
I have a
pretty.
lucky stage.
Session. Here are the Apple Watches. Right here.
Okay. Don't be mad like that.
Why you get big
It says my name
monster?
on there on each tablet and stuff. And
I
what
have
the phone.
monster big.
So
I
I'm
have
going to go to search.
Mommy. I have a.
This is show your own.
And then have
and stuff. We
I
mom.
just have over there. I'm going to do magic
Why
tiles
we fire?
at the bookshelf.
No. No. I
So I searched up Magic Tiles 3 on there. It's a piano game. So I'm going to ask my dad for something first.
I will.